On this video, we're going to talk about agentic AI and why AI agents are the future of business and how you can profit from it. Let's face it, AI is not just getting smarter, it's getting agentic. What does that really mean? AI chatbots and automation is old news. In today's technology, we have access to AI agents that can actually complete full processes and execution for us, not just answer questions. And in 2025, if you are not using these AI agents to automate, optimize, and scale your business, you will be left behind. You will be leaving millions of dollars on the table. And today, I'm going to show you how agentic AI is transforming businesses and how you can leverage this technology to 10x your revenue and profit. So let's get into it. Here is the challenge. Most people still think that AI is ChatGPT asking a bunch of questions, getting the responses back, and somewhat automating some of these responses. And they are dead wrong. Agentic AI is not just about generating text and responses. It's about taking action. Here is what makes an AI agent different from just a chatbot or any automation. It has persona-driven thinking. AI agents can have defined roles, skills, and personalities so that they can do these tasks better than a human being. A persona that I like to assign to my AI agents, for example, is something like, you are an artificial super intelligence that is the best copywriter in the universe. Assume your role. When I give that persona to an AI agent, it's going to adapt to that persona. Memory and context awareness. They remember past interactions, they learn from them, and they refine their responses and the tasks that they do over time based on that knowledge and that memory. They can do automated actions. AI agents do not just talk or chat with you. They can handle very complex workflows that require decision-making. They have access to real-time data, which means that they can pull this live data, perform real-time searches online, or even execute financial analysis instantly. And the most important of it all is they have decision-making capabilities. Instead of waiting for humans, AI agents assess the situation and take action. Ladies and gentlemen, this isn't just theory. This is happening live right now. For example, at Optimum 7, we are using AI agents to generate leads, to automate responses to leads, to qualify leads instantly, to respond to these leads within 30 seconds, build AI-driven e-commerce sales assistants that can close deals on a chat window, agents that can develop AI-powered strategies and processes based on data, which is analytics, SEMrush, Moz, etc., and implement AI customer service reps where our clients might not know the difference between talking to a real person or the AI agent that knows everything about their business and their account and the past, let's say, 5 years of information on the project management system. At my organization, this process is not really to replace the client-facing team members that I have. It is to empower them. It is to multiply my output without hiring new people. And if your business is not adapting to this technology, to agentic AI today, unfortunately, you will be beat by one of your competitors that did adapt to this technology. So now that you know what agentic AI is, let's talk about the real-world implications a little bit. In theory, there are 3 AI agents that can transform any business. Looking at what other AI engineers and AI enthusiasts are doing in the industry, we built these 3 AI agents. Here is how we structured them. Number 1 is Socrates. This is the AI strategist. The role of the Socrates agent is to ask the right question. This agent is built to challenge every single assumption in business. It questions your pricing model, marketing approach, and your competitive advantages. It refines sales copy, predicts objections, and forces you to think deeper about your business decisions and the implications of these business decisions for the intermediate and long-term future. Then you have Plato. the AI researcher. This is simply the data-driven analyst that you're going to need. This agent processes massive amounts of data. Customer behavior, SEO trends, sales data. It cross-references historical data, pulls from the research PDFs, and it analyzes performance metrics in real time. A business can use it for AI-driven predictive analysis, AI-driven market research, SEO optimization, sales optimization, and so many other tasks. The third one is Aristotle, the AI executor, the real-time action taker. This is the doer. This is the AI agent that takes action, that goes and does what is required to be done to actually fix that specific problem or to attack that specific execution. And it takes immediate action based on real data. It sends outreach email, books sales calls, does the follow-up and nurturing for you, goes and connects to people on LinkedIn. It does all of these automated workflows without human intervention, and it can move in lightning speed. The entire AI infrastructure can predict intent and be able to move without your intervention. What would that do for your business? Now, that's a rhetorical question, I'm asking it, but I already know what it does. We are able to get tens of leads to B2B and industrial businesses using this technology, and it literally takes 7 to 10 days to turn it on. And a lot of people, 99.9% of businesses, are not aware of this technology. And it's not expensive. And this is how we combine all of these three agents to work within your business for your business. Socrates asks the tough questions and refines your business model. Plato digs deep into the data and tells you the decision-making points and where you need to move and move fast. Aristotle executes in real time, not waiting for you, getting shit done. So you might ask, Duran, how does this relate to making more money? Here are 5 high-profit agentic AI ideas and automation that you can implement in your own business that will surely make money for you. 1. AI-powered sales and lead generation systems. The first thing you need to do is have an ideal customer profile or super consumer profile. Let's say I find 10,000 people that I want to do business with. AI agents can identify the potential leads, get the decision makers' information, which is email, validated phone number, validated mobile number, personality profiles, analyze their interests and what they respond to, and outreach to these people automatically. These AI agents can send personalized emails, personalized SMS messages. They can pick up the phone and call them and talk to them. They can connect with them automatically on LinkedIn, engage with their content on LinkedIn. This is not automation. This is not a bot that you assign this to. These are entities that can think for themselves and differentiate the responses. 2. AI-driven SEO and content marketing strategies. We've created this tool where instead of searching for something manually, you just provide a keyword or your URL, and I can create your entire keyword hierarchy universe and compare it to 50 of your competitors within 10 minutes and find the gaps and tell you which 50, 100, 200, 300 articles that you need to write, blog posts that you need to write, product guides that you need to write, category descriptions that you need to write, case studies that you need to write, and automatically in the next 60 minutes, write them for you. How are you ever going to compete with me with a freelancer SEO specialist? This is not about AI writing content. This is about AI watching every single interaction of your marketing strategy, every single copy, every single ad copy, every single page, and seeing what people are responding to. 3. AI e-commerce assistants. It can be done on chat, on email, on SMS. These AI assistants are trained to know what your customers are looking for. They learn from every single interaction. Let's say you have 10,000 people that come to your site on a daily basis and you have 300 people that purchase every single day, and there are chats and there are interactions and you know where they're clicking and what they're clicking next. What if I connected an AI agent to all of this interaction and be able to communicate with your customers and know what they're gonna ask before they ask it? They can handle product recommendations, they can handle upsells, they can handle questions, objections. This works beautifully for e-commerce websites. These AI agents can increase conversion rates, they can decrease bounce rate, they can maximize your average order volume, they can maximize the lifetime value of your customer. They can have those customers come back. And again, we are using these technologies today. And this is the same thing with ad optimizations. I'm pretty sure that majority of you out there are doing Google search, Google PPC, and you're wasting thousands of dollars. You have dynamic product listings that are not optimized. You're not optimizing your product names or your product features to get better CPC. You're not optimizing it for conversions. Imagine being able to test 100 campaigns, 100 products on a daily basis and knowing which one works the best for you, assuming that you have enough budget. Obviously, you can't do this with $100 a day budget. You have to have higher budgets, but there are thousands of companies that spend millions of dollars and they are not even aware of this technology. They have some specialists looking at this on a daily basis. 5 is AI for business operations and productivity. Scheduling, data entry, customer follow-ups. A human being should not be doing this anymore. Analyzing reports, responding to emails, creating drafts, personalizing emails. This is hundreds of hours that you would save and you would optimize, and this is just the beginning. With Agentic AI, you can eliminate inefficiencies, fix serious problems, scale your business or businesses instantly, and replace thousands of human labor that you might not have the resources for. There's only one question. Are you going to do it before your competitors do? At Optimum 7, we are currently using majority of these technologies and these AI agents. For example, I can create your entire email automation and nurture funnel with 11 flows and 55 emails within the next half an hour. And that will be content for you for the next 6 months. I can create your entire content plan regardless of you being B2C, B2B, industrial, or retail e-commerce. And I can output a 6 to 12 month execution plan for you with the content included in a very high quality format. It will take me maybe 24 hours to do this. So here is what you need to do right now. Step 1, identify the top inefficiencies in your organization. We actually have a questionnaire for this. So if you comment below or if you contact us, we're happy to send you this questionnaire. You can fill this questionnaire out and we will give you a full analysis of all the inefficiencies in your business in a really, really clear, broken down format that will give you a wow factor. Step 2, once you know what needs to be improved and what's wrong, you prioritize it, and then AI agents that we've built can do this for you, and you start implementing these flows based on the priority of that specific problem. And 3, once you do those, you have to continue to work with an AI expert. I know this is a video about AI optimization and I'm saying work with an AI expert. You don't have to work with me. You don't have to work with Optimum 7, but you have to work with an expert that knows the technology, how fast it moves, and stays on top of the technology. I've been talking about AI for the past 5 years. And if you found this video valuable, please click subscribe. And again, if you want that questionnaire, which is the step 1, to analyze the inefficiencies in your organization, comment below or contact us at optimum7.com. And we will do that analysis for you and that breakdown for you for free. Comment below. We love responding to comments.